Maurice here back for another Power Pack training. Today, the 3 skills needed to be a big success in social media marketing agency. What are the 3 things? If I had to put my thumb on it, would allow me to go from $0 to making 6 figures my first year in social media marketing, it would probably be these 3 skill sets, okay? Ladies and gentlemen, as the old cliche goes, it takes skills to pay the bills is so important. The reason why you're not at the level you want to be at in your agency and any type of business in particular is because of low skill set. Okay, write that down. If you want to improve, okay, in any area in SMMA or your life, you got to improve your skill set. The reason why people don't win championships or Super Bowls, okay, is because of low skill set. Notice that the top teams have players with very, very high skill levels, okay? And so if you want to make the big money, all right, in SMMA, you got to get your skills up. That's why it's important to invest in yourself and to invest in Mind University to get the courses and the coaches and the books and all the stuff that's needed to improve, because when you get better, your money get better. So we're going to just go over 3 things that you must improve upon if you want to be a big success. If you want to make 10 to 20K a month in social media marketing, these are the 3 areas that you got to focus on and you got to get better at. It's not that you're failing in social media marketing, it's that you have a low skill level, okay? And so what I did was, when I started, when I was working and I got exposed to social media marketing, I knew that I had to get better, and at the game. If I wanted to make that money, I had to get better at the game. So if you want to make $10,000 a month, you got to get your skill level up to $10,000 a month. And it's going to take some time. It's going to take some energy. And most importantly, it's going to take some money. You can't just watch all free YouTube videos, folks. You got to reach in your wallet or your purse and you got to purchase that course. You got to grab that coach. You have to do what's necessary in order to get your skill level up to the level that's needed to accomplish the dreams and the goals that you have set for yourself. Because here's the thing, ladies and gentlemen, no skills, no money, no life. You got to get better, okay? You can't win the World Series, without the skills that's necessary to win that World Series. So you got to get better, okay? So write that down. When you get better, your money gets better. So skill set number 1, prospecting, getting new clients. I encounter so many people who still don't have their first social media marketing client. And the reason why, once again, is low skill set, okay? Or not willing to get the course, not willing to put in the time to go through the course and apply what they learn. Ladies and gentlemen, if you want to be a big success in SMMA, you have to get your skill level high enough in prospecting and getting clients. This is key. And that encompasses everything, whether it's the follow-up and the close, because all that goes hand in hand, okay? Get as far as getting a new client, all right? You must improve your prospecting skills. And in fact, if you're not improving your prospecting skills, ladies and gentlemen, you're essentially kissing your business goodbye. You're not going to be able to hit the high echelons, because the more clients you get, the more money you essentially make, okay? So you must get your prospecting skill up. How do you get your prospecting skill up? By picking this phone up consistently, getting better, get the course, get the coach, do the necessary thing, read your scripts, talk to as many people as possible. My mentors told me you got to talk to a minimum of 500 people before you can get good on the phone. And the reason why most of you guys aren't good on the phone is you don't pick it up enough. You got to talk to people. Okay, I don't care if you send Looms, Zooms, emails. You're gonna have to talk to somebody. Nobody's just gonna magically send you a $3,000-4,000 a month check and not communicate with you. That's why I always I encourage you guys to make cold calls, because it builds your skill, your communication skills, and then it makes you a better person, and it gets you comfortable with talking to customers. You got to get comfortable with talking to your clients, okay? And that's how you do it. You build the skill, okay? Without prospecting, ladies and gentlemen, none of this work. A lot of you guys are trying to avoid cold calling. Make cold calls, because it's going to make you a better person overall. It's going to make you more comfortable with communicating with your new clients, because you're going to get clients. Because what I want you to do, if you're not getting clients, you're struggling with prospecting, click the link in the description. You guys can grab the ICP course, where I literally take you from beginner to pro and show you how to get clients. Okay, I actually signed up 3 clients in 7 days in the ICP, and I record everything and send it to you. So make sure you guys grab that course if you're ready to take your prospecting skills to the next level. Okay, so that's skill set number 1: how to get customers, how to prospect. Ladies and gentlemen, these are key skills that you must improve if you want to be a big success. Number 2, team building and hiring good people. If you want to scale your agency, ladies and gentlemen, this is a skill you must have, okay? You must learn how to hire good outsourcers, okay? How to communicate, how to do Zooms with them so you can say, is this the right person for my company, okay? This is key, all right? If you want to go and make, let's say, $250,000 or more, maybe a half or $1 million. Ladies and gentlemen, you must improve your skill set in team building. This is so important. Okay, how to hire and fire people is probably one of the things that's so overlooked. Okay, how to get on Fiverr, how to get on Upworks and all these other freelancer sites that you can go to and get people to get your clients results. Okay, because a lot of you guys, and I recommend, you don't have the time to learn how to do Facebook ads or Google ads or whatnot. I mean, you know what I mean? So it's a lot easier, at least starting off, to hire an outsourcer. Most of you guys don't know how to hire an outsourcer. How do you get good at hiring an outsourcer? By hiring an outsourcer. How do you get good at prospecting? By prospecting. It's simple, ladies and gentlemen. And then as you go through the process, okay, you finally figure out, like, okay, this is what I need to look for. These are the questions that I need to address when I'm hiring an outsourcer to run my Facebook ads for my clients. These are the type of reviews I need to look for. And you guys need help, you guys can actually get the course, and I show you how to outsource. And I even did a free video on it too. You guys can browse through my catalog of videos, and you guys can, or maybe I'll probably put it in the description for you, so you can check it out on what I look for in hiring an outsourcer. But these skills, ladies and gentlemen, as far as building a team, okay, because let's face it, ladies and gentlemen, you got involved with SMMA for time freedom and financial freedom, okay? What good is it? It's going to do you to build an agency and you can't enjoy the fruits of your labor. You got to be able to hire a VA. You got to be able to hire someone to run your ads and to monitor people that's running your ads, okay? You have to. And then going into the next skill set, you really got to have the skill set of hiring people, all right? This is so important. Team building. Teamwork makes the dream work. Don't ever forget that. Write that down. Teamwork makes the dream work, ladies and gentlemen. All right. Yeah, you can build an agency by yourself, and that's fine if you want to, let's say, get, up to 10 clients. I've done it before. All right. You can definitely do that. All right. But if you want to move to the bigger levels where the bigger money's at, making a quarter, a half, or of $1 million, or even $1 million a year, then you got to build your skills as far as hiring people and building your team. Very important. Lastly, customer service, taking care of your customers. Okay, the 2 goals of a business is to get a customer and keep a customer. Write that down. The 2 goals of any business, if you look at Amazon, Google, Facebook, and no matter what big Fortune 500 company that's out there, Walmart, McDonald's, their number 1 goal is to get a customer and to keep a customer. Okay. Now, the thing about social media marketing is you have to take care of your customers. Just because you sign somebody up, ladies and gentlemen, and you're making their phone ring, and that's not customer service. You still have to communicate with your clients. I do. I communicate with my clients on a weekly basis. And if you're not, you better have somebody else checking in just to see how things are going. Because guess what? Customers will have issues, okay? They have problems, and they're going to need to communicate with you. You just don't sign a customer up and then you just debit their card every month and that's it. I know people are not talking about this on YouTube, okay? And I'm just bringing it to the forefront as far as team building and all this stuff. I'm just giving you guys an epiphany right now. You're going to need to communicate with your customers, okay? Because most people think just because you get your customers results, they'll stay with you forever. No. It's just more than that, all right? I've had customers that left and they were getting results, okay? It's because I neglected not to communicate with them on a regular basis, send them gifts throughout the year, whatnot. It can just be something simple, or Christmas gift or something like that, or just a customer appreciation, something simple. These are things that you must do in order to take care of your clients. They're your clients. All right. I even go fishing with my clients sometimes. You know, me and one of my clients, we went salmon fishing together. Okay. Why? If you do this stuff, ladies and gentlemen, just think, no marketing company is going to be able to steal my clients. Why? Because I have a relationship with them. Okay. Customer service is so important. The companies with the best customer service departments make and keep the most customers, and people tell other people about those companies that this company will definitely take care of you. And ladies and gentlemen, if you don't improve your skills here, they'll be coming in one door and leaving out the other, okay? You'll have holes in your agency. You'll be recruiting people and they'll be gone if you don't build your skill set when it comes to customer service. Now, this goes hand in hand because when you build a team, you can teach your team how to take care of your customers. But you want to start off first. When you get your first 2 customers, call them on a weekly basis or bi-weekly or a monthly basis just to check in. Anything I can do to make the service better? Do you need more customers? These are things that you do, ladies and gentlemen, to make people happy. Treat them good. Tell them thank you. Every time I invoice my clients, guess what? I tell them thank you for your business. Simple stuff like that, ladies and gentlemen, lets people know you appreciate them. And when you appreciate people, ladies and gentlemen, guess what? They continually pay you every single month, okay? So, ladies and gentlemen, I hope this video has been of immense value to you. If it has, make sure you comment below. Let me know what you thought. Make sure you hit the thumbs up. Helps with the algorithm. Make sure you guys subscribe. I put out fire like this all the time to help you guys and give you the truth on how to build this thing we call social media marketing. And if you need help, click the link in the description. If you want to know how to build your skills in these 3 areas, click the link in the description. You can sign up for coaching. You can grab the ICP course, and I'll help you guys take your agency from $0 to making $10,000 a month. See you guys in the next one. Bye for now.